What's up everybody? Jason at Canyon Adventure Vans. Today I wanted to show you how to install the foot platform for the Sprinter. This is great for anybody that's kind of short, their feet are dangling. It just makes your traveling so much more comfortable. We wanted to come out with something very basic. There's a lot of different models on the market, but ours is just very simple. It's lightweight, you can take it in and out, and then all it is it just slides right in here, just like that. And then what's great is you could put a couple pairs of shoes underneath there. There's storage. And then all of a sudden I have this great space here for me to just be more comfortable. My feet aren't dangling. So that's it. That's our foot platform. We're also going to have in-habit mats for this to match your in-habit mats if you already have in-habit mats. But this just basically sits right there. It magnetizes, and then you could just pop it off. And again, you can keep a couple pairs of shoes or something like that, small bags underneath it. So thank you. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and we're going to continue to come out with innovative products for your Sprinter vans and your overlanding needs.